Hi, I'm Alex Quine from Property Brokers, and on behalf of Team Quine, I'm proud to be presenting to you 992A Tremaine Avenue. Come on in and check it out.